Good day, I am Landong from BSMT 1YA24 and I will discuss the effects of drugs and alcohol to seafarers in relation to sexual transmitted diseases or infections. Sex under the influence or drugs or alcohol is associated with high-risk sexual behavior. Heterosexual men N equal 505 in substance abuse treatment completed a computer-administered interview assessing sexual risk behavior. Most men, 73.3%, endorse sex under the influence in the prior 90 days, and 39.1% endorse sex under the influence during their most recent sexual event. Sex under the influence at the most recent event was more likely to involve anal intercourse, sex with a casual partner, and less condom use. Patients might benefit from the interventions targeting sexual behavior and substance use as mutual triggers. Alcohol use, especially binge drinking, can lead to risky sexual behaviors. What makes these behaviors risky to the individuals is they may result in sexual transmitted diseases, or STD. It increases the risk for STD in the three ways through multiple partners, unprotected sex, sex without a condom, and combining additional substances with alcohol and sexual activities. Alcohol lowers inhibitions, which means that both men and women are more likely to engage in casual sexual behaviors that they would not otherwise do if they were sober. Heavy drinkers are also most likely to have multiple partners, increasing the risk of HIV transmission and STD. Now, I will discuss on how will you prevent the sexual transmitted diseases. You can greatly reduce your risk of getting sexually transmitted infections by practicing safer sex. Some STI, such as genital warts, herpes, and syphilis, can be spread through contact with infected skin that is not covered by condoms or other barriers. Here are some tips for protecting yourself. First, use a latex condom for vaginal and anal sex or a plastic condom if you are sensitive to latex. Second, talk with your partners about sexually transmitted infections and using condoms. The third one is, do not use oil-based products because they destroy your latex.